Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add multiple stops on Uber. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to go to other places before you reach your final destination. So, let's get right to it. Let's say that you're currently booking an Uber right now, and this is the tab that you're currently gonna see. For example, I'll be going to Maryland Airport, and as you can see, there's a plus icon right here. So just tap on that, and then as you can see, I've added 2 other locations. That means before we get to Maryland Airport, we will stop to those 2 other locations. It says, please keep stops to 3 minutes or less. As a courtesy for your driver's time, please limit each stop to 3 minutes or less. Otherwise, your fare may change. What this means is, if you go over 3 minutes during the stops, then that means your payment will increase. So just tap on done once you've chosen your stops, and that's pretty much it. Now you can do a stopover before you reach your final destination. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.